Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video, I'm just going to ask the 5 questions to all of you. And if you're preparing for the upcoming CSR Net exam, for the GATE exam or any of the other similar exams, these 5 questions are very much important for all of you guys. Now, what are these 5 questions? You will soon get to know about them. And with the answer of these questions, you will get to know how good your preparation is going on for these exams. So that means these questions are very much important for all the students, those who are going to attempt these exams. Let's talk about them then. Clear? And you will soon get to know about it. Please answer them, or you can even answer about them in the comment section so that you will be able to relate the answer of each and every question quickly and easily. You will be able to get to know about it even at the end, that what were the questions, and you are gonna answer them on the basis of what you feel about these questions. Clear? Let's start. And it's very important to analyze the preparation. Clear? So don't skip any of the questions and think about it. Now, if I'm going to talk about the first question, that is, are you making the command on all the topics you are completing and you are covering for the exam, or you are just completing them? Okay, means you are just gonna mark it in your syllabus that you have covered it, you have completed it, or are you making a good command on those topics along with the preparation too? So your answer can be yes, I'm making a good command, or no, I'm just completing it right now. So you need to be careful about it. If you're just completing something, it's not going to help you in the main exam that way. But if you are making a command by doing the regular revision, by repeating those things, by revising them regularly, it's surely going to be helpful for you, because this way you will be able to memorize the things well as well. And that's the only thing which will be helping you in the main exam, whatever you will be memorizing and you will make a good command on. Let's come to the next question now, guys. So our next question is that, do you know how much important the options are there in the exam if your exam is going to have the MCQs? Means, like, sometimes if, like, do you know its importance? That is the question, that how important the options are and what is the importance of options given to you in the question. Okay, now if I'm gonna talk about it, like what is my point of view or what I want to share with you, so that's going to be, sometimes it happens that we don't know about the concept involved in the question, or we are not getting the idea about the steps we need to take to solve those questions. So options are going to provide us a great help in that case. Sometimes our options are going to have some of the terms, like it can be some of the parameters present there. So we get to know, like, okay, actually we can use these formulae related to these parameters, and at the end I need to save these parameters. Okay, so sometimes they can help you to get the idea about the type of expression you have to get. Clear? Sometimes they help you to think about it, that what is the most suitable concept you can use there. Okay, it's not like in all the questions it will be same, but mostly it happens sometimes, like the options are going to provide us the great help in the exam, and you can consider nobody is there in the exam hall with you to help you, to guide you, to provide you some hints, but options are surely going to help you in that way. If I'm going to ask the next question now, before that, let me know, are you going to find these questions helpful for yourself, and are you finding like the answers you're going to give for these questions are going to work for you? Means if it is yes or no, whatever answer you have given, is it going to be the one which is great, means that's how the things should work, or no? Clear? Let's come to the next question now. If I'm going to talk about the third question, that is, are you focusing on the mistakes you are making while doing the preparation for your upcoming exam? Means, if you have solved a question, you may have made mistake in calculation, in relating concepts, or a silly mistake in noting down the number, okay, or a digit from the question. It can be any kind of mistake. These are just a few examples I have given you right now. So are you focusing on your mistakes this way or not? Clear? So that's your third question, and you just need to answer it in the comments if possible, or just focus on this part too. Now here I would like to tell you something. that if you will be focusing on every mistake you are making while doing the exam preparation, it will help you a lot to improve your marks in the final exam and to have the better results. Okay, so it's very important for everyone to work on the mistakes and even to focus on them. For focusing on the mistakes and to keep them in mind, it's a great idea to make a note of the mistakes you are making. It can be any kind of mistake, like in calculation, noting down the digits, relating the concepts. It can be related to anything. Just you have to make a note of it, and you will be able to revise that part, that okay, I need to avoid making such type of mistakes in the final exam. Now I hope it's gonna get clear to everyone till this point. This was the next question we had. Clear? Let's consider the another question, which is going to be like regarding the assumptions we make. So are you the one who makes the assumptions after reading the question statements? Means if I'm reading a question and let's say I got a word there like related to a topic, whichever topic is there in that particular subject or any of the subjects from your syllabus. So after reading the question statement or after reading few words, when you get to know, oh, this can be related to this particular concept, are you start making the assumptions in such a way that I may not be able to do it because I didn't cover up this topic. So do you make the assumptions? Your answer can be yes or no, okay? And you can even mention it in the comments, whatever you think is your answer, okay? So in that case, my suggestion for you is that stop making assumptions, focus on the given data, given situation in the question. Sometimes it happens, even the question is new, question is different, question is from a topic which you didn't prepare, but on the basis of the information and the data given there in the question, you will be able to answer it. So it's going to be quite simple and easy for you to get those answers, okay? And it's not like that only if you have prepared it only then you can solve the questions. No, there are many such type of questions in the previous years in CSR net you will get, or even in the other exams you will be finding, okay, which have been asked in such a way that everything was given in the question. We just need to read it, we just need to do a little bit calculation with the given data, given expressions in the question itself, okay, and just by doing a little bit of calculation we are reaching to the answer. We don't use some of the separate formulae there, okay? The formula can be related to basic calculation part, that's it. But yes, such type of questions also exist in the previous years, and it's gonna have the chances to be there in your upcoming exams too. And mainly when we start making assumptions, we stop thinking about those questions, okay, and we stop considering this like, oh, actually we can also do it without even knowing about the main concept. It's a possibility, okay? So you have to be like you can say aware of this fact that it is also possible, because if you will be doing one question correct, then it can help you to improve your marks, to have more marks in the exam, and it can help you to qualify the exam too, clear, or to have better rank as well. So it's important. Now my next question is, are you the one who is going to like work on the time management part along with doing the preparation for the upcoming exam, or are you the one who is gonna work on this part on every single day, that how you are going to do something regularly so that it will be taking less time, or you are getting those great ideas so that something you are doing, okay, for doing the best preparation for the exam will be taking out less time after few days. So that time management part is even important. Or sometimes it happens that some of the students are taking so much time for solving the questions. So are you working on that section as well or not? Because your answer will decide that how many questions you will be able to attempt in the exam. And if you were not working on these things till now, start working on them today, because still you are having some time remaining before your exam. So if you will think about these things, if you will start working on them, your results will be better. You can improve and you can have the better rank in the exam as well. So guys, I hope all these questions are surely gonna help you to know about your weak points, to think about it like how you can improve, or like you can be more better version of yourself, okay, before your exam, so that it will be helping you a lot. to get the good results. Clear? So I hope it's gonna be helpful, guys. Let's keep it this much right now, while I would even like to tell you something about the offer which is going on right now on Unacademy subscription, as per which you will be getting the 20% discount in the total Unacademy subscription amount by using and by applying the referral code, which is Anjali A Live, as mentioned here on the screen. So if you want to get the guidance by the top educators and you don't want to miss the important courses and the classes by the top educators, then you can take the Unacademy Plus or the Iconic subscription and start your preparation under the guidance of top educators, because these courses will be helping you a lot to get the great ideas, important tricks, and even to know about important topics, to cover up important concepts, to know about the right approach for solving the questions. So in all these ways, these courses will be helping you. Now, since this offer is going to be a limited period offer, means it will end on 22nd July. So if you want to get this guidance by the top educators, and after taking the subscription, you will be able to join and attend the live courses, okay, and the classes by the top educators of well structured and well planned courses sessions, you will be able to attend. Even if someday you miss the live classes, you will be able to check out the recordings of those sessions. So that's how in every way these courses are going to be helpful. So if you want to get the guidance, or your friends want to get the guidance by the top educators, you can share this information with them too. You have to use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali A Live, as mentioned here on the screen. And by using and by applying this referral code, you will be able to get the 20% discount in the total subscription amount when this offer is going on. I would even like to share some of the other important slides here with all of you, which will be helping you to know about it, that how the Plus or the Iconic subscription will help you to take your preparation to the next level. So you can see in the white circle, we are having some of the points mentioned. These are the benefits you will be getting if you will take the Plus subscription. Then for Iconic, you will get these benefits which are in the white circle as well as the blue color one. Okay, you will get all the benefits in the Iconic subscription. Even the clear classification and the difference between the Plus and the Iconic subscription will be visible to you on this slide. So have a look at this. It's going to be helpful for you. Another important thing is regarding the Plus and the Iconic subscriptions. They are available for different durations. So all about that, the information has been shared here on this slide. You can have a look at this. I hope it will be helping you. So guys, we are just going to keep it this much today in this session. And I hope each and everything which I have discussed here in the session will be helping you to take your preparation to the next level. Let's keep it this much. Thank you everyone for joining this session and for watching this video till the end. If you are new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. And also guys, you can share the video with your friends too if you think it will be helping them as well. Thank you everyone for joining this session. Thank you.